Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before starting the video, if you are new and have not subscribed our YouTube channel, press the subscribe button. In today's video, we will learn what is geography. The study of the physical features of the earth and its atmosphere and of human activity as it affects and is affected by these, including the distribution of population, resources and political and economic activities. Physical geography. Physical geography is the study of physical features of the earth. This includes study of landforms, drainage forms, water bodies and shorelines, minerals, soils, climate, natural vegetation and life of animals. Human geography. Human geography studies the man-made features of the earth. This include cultural elements such as density and pattern of population, the utilization of land, the types of and materials for the buildings, and the means of transportation and communication. Human geography is further divided into passive or static human geography, active or dynamic human geography. Passive or static human geography, it deals with the action of nature upon man, and active or dynamic human geography, it deals with the reaction or action of human upon nature. Importance of geography. The importance of geography in education extends out beyond the subject itself. Geography allows students to integrate their learning across different subjects such as those in the sciences, humanities, and the arts. Geography helps to increase students' scientific literacy, which can be useful throughout life, for example, through applying critical thinking to medical news or decision. Many of the reasons why geography is important in education are the same reason why it's important for human life. Geography provides a different perspective on the world and its events, both spatially and on different scale. This allows, for example, global events and news to be placed in context based on the geographical area and how it relates to the rest of the world.